Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from any Vivo phone to any Android phone. Now to do that, just make sure to install EasyShare on both devices. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on both devices and in the search bar, just search EasyShare. Now just install the EasyShare app on both devices. Now it will take a few seconds to install the app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on join EasyShare and tap on agree. Now from here, just tap on file transfer on both devices. Now on your Vivo phone, just select send, and on your other Android device, just select receive. Now from here, just tap on set. Now just enable this toggle on the screen. Now from here, go back and tap on receive. Now from here, tap on set and tap on EasyShare. Now from here, just enable the toggle on the screen. Now go back and tap on receive. Now from here, just tap on got it. Now just give this app these permissions. Now once you have done that, on your Vivo phone, just select any data to share. I will transfer some images from my Vivo phone to the other Android device. Now just tap on send. Now from here, tap on start to connect. Now from here, just tap on got it. Now from here, just tap on while using the app. Now from here, just scan this QR code by using your Android device. Just like that. Now once you do that, just tap on OK on your Vivo phone. Now as you can see, it is sending the file from the Vivo phone to the Android smartphone. Now from here, tap on send file. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app on your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, these are the images which we have shared from our Vivo phone to the other Android device, just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from any Vivo phone to any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.